Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the sort of deal that if you can get out to Walmart ASAP, it's one that you don't want to pass up on, especially if you are a fan of the Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash in the scent crisp lilac and watermelon. I think it's called summer watermelon. So at various stores, a lot of people are reporting all over the US. They're either $1.50, $2. At my store, they were $3, but I still was able to make a deal happen. If they're $1.50 or $2, you have the potential for a much better deal and a freebie. And I know a lot of markets are those price points. So here it was $3, but I still grabbed one because we have a $2 Walmart cashback. Alternatively, you might have a home mailer for $2 off, so it would make it $1. And after my Walmart cashback, it's $1. So $1 for a power wash, that is a no-brainer. So I was very delighted to get one, for $1 today. If you're in a market where it's $1.50 or $2, you are getting them completely free. Just to show you guys what do these look like. So this one is called Crisp Lilac, and nice looking dish soap, and anything lilac scent is a winner in my book. You have to do this in store. You can't do it for a pickup because I looked in the app. I think they're like $5.94 as a pickup. And here is the UPC. You will find this in the regular aisle with the dish soap, or you might find them on a side cap when you're walking into the aisles with the toilet paper, paper towels, dish soap. So it'll be merchandise on the side, and there was a ton at my store on a side cap. And this is the second one. It's called Summer Watermelon. So have you guys ever tried this one? I'm kind of skeptical about they had one like cranberry, pumpkin. I don't know. I just like the regular smelling one. And I'm very, very particular with power wash. And here's the UPC for this one. So look for them either on a side cap where they have them merchandise, so you just grab them while you're shopping, or in that regular aisle with the dish soap. Now, for a lot of us, if you go into your Walmart app, there is a $2 cashback on this power wash, either for the watermelon or this crisp lilac. It is one per account, and it's written right there. And when you apply for this, typically 24 to 48 hours later, you'll get the $2 credited to your Walmart account that you can use on a future purchase. I noticed it's not on my IBOTTA account. For those of you that have never done this, I'm just going to jog you through it. You open up the Walmart app at the very top, see where little box, it looks like a scanner or a UPC. You will press that. And I'm just going to jog you through this if you've never done Walmart Cash before. And then see where it says type your barcode, exactly where the arrow is. You will press that once. Just to show you a little bit of a close-up if you're like, I still don't understand what you're talking about. This is where you will type in your barcode manually to get your $2 Walmart cash back. So for the next page, see where it says receipt codes. That's what you're going to press. And then you're going to manually type in where it says receipt TC. It's written on your receipt. You will type in that big long number and then press enter. And then it'll take up to 2 days to credit you the $2 for the Dawn Power Wash. And I think once you hit $20, you can get a gift card to Walmart to use in store. And that's how it works. So again, I made the decision to only get one of these power washes with the $2 rebate, $3 product. I ended up paying $1 for this. I didn't stock up like I normally would because $3 is still a little bit out of pocket. If it was $1.50 or $2, I might have grabbed a couple, but for $3 a pop, the answer is no. I just grabbed one with the Walmart cashback. And I think I have enough of this in my stockpile. And to be perfectly frank, what we have been doing at the Dollar General, like finding cleaners for a penny, I can make one of these work in lieu of Dawn Power Wash. I know it's two different cleaners, but I will figure something out. When you can get stuff for a penny, it's totally what it's about. I can't stop talking about the Dollar General penny list, which was a surprise that happened last Friday. And even yesterday, I was finding some of these cleaners. I'll link a video at the very end if you wish to watch it. But I would get out to Walmart to look for that power wash and keep your eyes peeled anytime you're in the Dollar General for these cleaners. We'll catch you guys at the next one. Bye.